Hello. This is a short video to talk about the experience that I had using Stellar Outlook Repair. I had experienced all of a sudden a crash using my Outlook system, and through the weekend I tried just about everything, including using ChatGPT, to resolve the situation, and finally got to a point where I ran out of options. The suggestion from ChatGPT was look into Stellar. So I downloaded the folder or file, and as I started to troubleshoot, it looked like it properly repaired the PST corrupted file, and then it would not export. So I did this 3 times before I finally just gave up, threw up my arms, and I thought I'd just write Stellar and ask for a refund because the program wasn't working. After I sent that note, I called the customer service number for Stellar, and I talked with Vishal, and Vishal said, "Nope, I think I can help you." And so we embarked on almost a hours-long troubleshooting event. And one thing led to another. We found out that that the problem was due to a Microsoft update that was recently issued, and they had actually identified the number of the update. Anyway, long story short, Vishal stuck with me. He was fantastic. He was as good, if not better, than the tech people that I work with at my company. And I just wanted to send this quick note and show my appreciation. So thanks very much. Bye now.